Want to rank up fast in Mobile Legends but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to rank up fast in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First tap on Starlight, then choose Task from the left side of your screen. Now you will have to complete daily and stage quests. Completing this quest will help you to obtain Star Protection card. This Star Protection card will help you to protect from losing any star if you lose any game. This card has limited time to use, so you have to play games and rank up till the time is over. And that's how you can rank up fast in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.